Hey guys, my name's Kaif and I'm one of the hosts of the Everything Cyber channel. Recently I had the good fortune to attend the amazing BSides Sydney conference. People in the security industry would know that BSides is a very popular conference happening around the world, and they are very well known for the quality of the talks, the wide variety of people that attend, and all the cool fun stuff that happens during the conference. So I'll be doing a very quick vlog from a perspective of an attendee. If you're someone who hasn't attended a conference or just want to relive your memories, then this video is for you. This video is going to be a short one, but I'll take you through all of the main things that happened during the conferences, what were some of the highlights, some of the talks I enjoyed the most, and what does it feel like to attend a major cybersecurity conference in Australia. So without further ado, let's get started. The BSides Sydney was hosted on the UTS University campus right at the heart of Sydney. It was my first BSides since the pandemic, so I was super excited. And it wasn't just the talks, I was going to meet some amazing people I've only interacted online so far. But first things first, let's get the swag sorted out. The conference had 2 presentation tracks, a workshop track, a sponsor area, and a CTF happening simultaneously. I personally decided to go to the presentation, sponsor area, and network with people. There was a wide variety of talks including AppSec, incident response, digital forensics, network security, and much more. My favorite talk was definitely how to unhack an AI by DFIR. I loved how engaging the talk was while conveying lots of technical concepts. A lot of the talks had really cool demos too. I tried taking down as many notes as possible so I can go home and explore some of those stuff myself. Apart from the talks, I mostly hung around the sponsor area talking to different people. They were serving pizza for lunch, but me and a few other friends decided to go to the nearby mall to grab a quick bite. After lunch, it was time for my talk. Unfortunately, I don't have any recordings of my talk yet, so I'll just link the slides in the description below. Talk was finished. I decided to attend a few more talks because a lot of interesting other ones were happening. Most of the talks were very full, given more than 500 people were attending the event. For me, a major learning was seeing how other speakers are making their talks engaging. That was an added motivation to attend more talks. Once all the events of the day was finished, we headed to this really epic underground bar that had food and entertainment. Didn't stick there for long though, because I had some dinner and board game plans with some old friends, which was the perfect way to end the day. That's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.